you're a content creator that uses a cell phone, mobile phones, iPhone, Android, whatever it is, this is the neck mount that will suit your need if you are shooting point of view footages. So without further delay, so let's go ahead and unbox this so that we will know what's included in the package. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let me go. Oops. Gandaan lang natin kasi baka masira ko yung content ng package. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Okay, so right off the bat, bubble wrap and thank you card. Thank you for choosing TVC Mall. So you can check their website, tvcmall.com. They have a lot of products that you can check out that is best suited for content creators for cell phones. Okay, so I have a case for my Poco X4. Okay, the one I'm using right now for my audio. So thank you so much, TVC Mall, for sending this over. And then for my A53 cell phone, my Samsung phone, and of course the neck mount itself. Okay, so this is the neck mount right here. This is the box. Let me go read it. Smartphone magnetic neck holder. I'm very familiar with what it looks like because this is the same thing that I have for my GoPro, so I can confirm that this quality of the material is really good. Very sturdy, very secure, and very flexible. So ayan. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so right off the bat we have the manual guide, which we don't need because I already know what to do with it. Maybe you're wondering kung bakit ako nag-i-English kasi yung audience natin ngayon is international, so I have to speak in English para hindi na ako magsa-subtitle. Okay, so sorry sa mga audience ko from the Philippines. So this is the neck mount itself. Rubber coated neck mount, very flexible. The good thing about this is that this one, it doesn't hurt your neck compared to the other neck mounts that is plastic. I've been using this type of neck mounts for the past year for my content, and this is really comfortable to wear and very flexible kasi nga you can stretch it, you can curl it to whatever you want. It will follow to whatever you need it to be. Okay, this is the magnet ring right here. Okay, let's go ahead and pull that out. It does that. Okay, so this is the arm. Ito yung arm niya, and this is where you're gonna put the cell phone. Kasi may magnet. There's a magnet here which will magnetize the cell phone and it will not move. We're gonna go ahead and explore more of this later. Okay, so inside as well is the magnet ring. This is what you're gonna use to stick or at the back of your cell phone so that it will clip right here. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Very strong magnet. I don't think that it will easily come off unless you have a very, heavy cell phone. So, ayan. So that's the purpose of that. And at the same time, syempre, you have a safety rope just in case that your cell phone will fall off. This will be your safety rope to catch it. Other than that, we have the cleaning materials. We have the alcohol wipes and then the surface wipes so that whenever you're gonna install this, the surface is clean at the back of your cell phone. So, yeah. Let me go ahead and put this away. So, material of the neck mount. Very sturdy, soft rubber, very flexible. And then, for the arm, ito yung arm niya. This is actually hard metal. This is not plastic, so this is really good. This will not snap when you're using it. Especially for me, I'm doing hikes, doing moto vlogs, and doing travel vlogs. So if I'm gonna use my cell phone, it's very, very handy to just clip it on my neck so that I can show you the point of view on where I'm looking at. So you can bend this to whatever position that you like. So you can put it like that, and then like that. There are two ways that you can mount it's either like that, okay, front facing siya, and then the other one is like this. Ayan. The good thing about this is that you can point your camera downwards if you are unboxing like this. If you don't have an extra camera like me, I can definitely use my cell phone to put it like that, and then top down angle of the camera. So ayan. Not much to say about the build quality. The quality is good. The arms or the joints is very tight, so it's not gonna bend on its own. You have to, you know, exert some effort to do that. As you can see, it's very hard. Pero hindi naman siya gaano katigas na hindi mo na siya mababali. So ayan. So let's go ahead and try to mount a cell phone on this so that I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so in this sample, we're gonna try out my iPhone 10 right here. Okay, using the universal metal ring that they provided. Let me go ahead and wipe this clean. Peel this off. And then stick it at the back. So ayan yung itsura niya. Okay, so ganyan yung itsura na. And then let's go ahead and stick it in. Ayan. So that's what it looks like. Okay. Wow. The magnet is really strong. So ayan. So I don't think that it will actually fall off or whatever. So ayan. Let me go ahead and demonstrate to you how to work this neck mount. So all you have to do, there is a small knob on the left, or I mean on the right, that will unlock this one right here. So if you put it like that, and then you want to pull it out, just click, then pull it out like that. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that here. Put it in, nice and sturdy. Okay. Best way for you to do this is to, you know, curve it through your chest. Okay, put it like that, and then so I can show you that it's working. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this out. Okay, and then ayan, I'm just front facing the camera right there so that I can demonstrate to you what the footage looks like. So ayan, so you can adjust this on the top just like that. Okay, so if you're gonna go ahead and try to film top view, it's right there. That's what it looks like. So it's very handy if you're unboxing, showing something, or you're cooking, creating contents with the top down view. That's really good. So ayan. Pero if I'm gonna go ahead and do a travel vlog, okay, so that's what it looks like. I can see the footage right here. At the same time, the camera is facing that direction right there. So ayan. This is really good for travel vlogs, hiking, exploring, adventures. This is really good if you're using mainly cell phones to do your content. I have also an idea. Maybe we can use this for motovlogging, so we can check. But I will have to check on where we're gonna put the, you know, this one might be also possible if we can use a case for this. Okay, so basically that's what it looks like. Also, the good thing about this is that, syempre, when you're using for mobile contents, you can do portrait or vertical footage right there. It's really easy to do vertical contents when you're doing this. So, ayan. So, you can do landscape. All you have to do is just twist because it's magnets, really easy to use. And then twist it for vertical. So landscape and then vertical. Ayan. Let me go ahead and Put it right here. Okay. So that's what it looks like on vertical. Let me go ahead and put it on horizontal right there. So it's really flexible. So whatever your content is, this neck mount will help you out. So that's it for my unboxing video right here. Stay tuned because I'll be creating more contents on this, where I'm gonna use it, how you're gonna use it, how does it perform when you're using it, and what kind of styles that you can come up when using the neck mount. Okay? Until next time, guys, ride safe, travel more, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye.